Hey folks, Michael Koski here with Bullion RV in Duluth, Minnesota. Today I have the pleasure of showing you this brand new Cherokee Grey Wolf. This is a brand new 2026 model. This is the 23 MS bunkhouse. I'll do a nice little walk around on the outside, then we'll go inside and see what you think. Up front, power tongue jack, dual LP tanks, battery tray, battery disconnect right up front, easy to access. Beautiful Grey Wolf graphics, white, black, blue. Nice big storage space, solar controller, step above solid steps, adjustable, outdoor kitchen, griddle, sink, griddle, fridge, ice maker, and water port. Big power awning with LED lighting, 2 speakers, little storage compartment underneath the bunk, leash latch for your pup, folding tray, backup camera on board, dump gates, 30 amp hookup, black tank flush, accessory light, nice big slide out, additional outdoor shower, freshwater, city water, on-demand hot water heat. So this is a nice family coach, lightweight, affordable, half-ton towable, 6,000 pounds. But when you step inside, boy, is it spacious. Huge bunks, storage below, residential step-in shower, skylight, hood vent, sink, medicine cabinet, big U-shaped dinette, 12-volt fridge, freezer, great storage below, a lot of space, extra little storage, 3-burner cooktop, air fryer, hood vent, stainless steel sink, dishwasher or glass washer, nice pantry, and of course your hidden pantry. Tons of space here as well. Magnet and a safety travel latch. Electric fireplace, all plumbed and ready to go for your TV. Nice big master suite, RV king bed, wardrobes both sides, great storage up above, additional storage over there, pocket doors, ducted heat, ducted AC, can sleep 8, only 6,000 pounds. A great way to take the whole family camping. Again, guys, my name is Michael Koski with Bullion RV, 218-225-8463. Feel free to comment, share, text me. I'm happy to help. Anything I can do to help you start your adventures. As always, thank you so much. Have a great day.